guys, I don't tire. Oh. I don't tire. Oyibo no gree fix my washing machine. Oyibo no gree come fix my washing machine, guys. Oh, Chineke na. I don't tire. Children clothes don't dirty. Adults own don't dirty. Onyeze own don't dirty. Ew, Onyeze own very important. Very important. Ew, chikum. What you go do? Guys, what we go do? Suggest for me. It seems we are going to go back to the old good days. Old good days. Okay, ne jackass swakwa. Jackass hafa akwa buru gana mmiri gana mmiri ga iba na akpi. Iburu onye mbisi ga-enwe idea. Gi ga asụ akwa n'ogwe. Ịghọtago? Ho, Chukwu okike abịa mụ maka ndị ka mụrụ gba ama ihe ọma Chineke mere ha. They don't know what the Lord has done in their lives. And to just go to their rooms na mazina ma onye eze ma nne dem everybody ngonya wala 3 pants ge 3 petere ge gafe na azolo ga sawa na akwu no zina mgbagasu we school ge e were aka ho oyibo bia hunze machine oyibo sim I think you're going to get another one oyibo a machine aka oyibo no n'ụzọ lay machine simbanye I own the machine oyibo look machine. The funny thing is that the machine comes on. The machine was on. Then water was filling into the drum of the washing machine. You lay. You him. Okay. I think I was expecting to hear a kind of noise, but then I didn't get any noise. Okay. I think you're gonna get a new one. Get a new one. Yeah. I think the fault is what we call motor. Also not motor before to the washing machine. So you getting another one is getting the parts of the motor. So getting another one is more expensive. So by the time you add the money together, you just get a new one, which I think is right. Now I miss my motherland. Machine Oyibo they fix things here, DIY. If you don't know how to do it yourself, one never forget about it. Forget I look for you, take it to scrap center and that's it. You know mun na ya batotoro ya fix ya buga ya Africa. E fix ya ono wakon ere yo kono. You tago. I wish mun give me this one transport to Africa na to Nigeria. We are no mun ma ron na, you know. E dey me bonanza. Hey, chukum. What a day. Meanwhile, guys, happy new month. Welcome to the month of March. A month of marching forward, backward never.